Hi everyone, I know there's a couple of background noises here. Let me close the door. Hi everyone, today we are going to unbox something that we actually got early for Christmas. And that is a, let's see, what generation is this? It's an Amazon Fire Stick TV, third generation, and the remote is a second generation. So, um, guys, this is my very first product review. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys enjoy too. So, we recently got this from my family for Christmas, early actually. This is an early present from us, from a good old mommy's friends, my mom's friends, and literally, this is a Fire Stick TV. We used to have an old one. I believe this is a little bit newer one because it has this little thing, and the controller is a little bit new. But yes, this is my very first unboxing on YouTube and a product review. So we're gonna do the product review maybe a little bit later. This will be premiering on Christmas. I just want to let you know. This will premiere on Christmas, okay? At probably so you can see it. Oh, my reaction will open to this. Also premiere two more videos. I'm gonna ask for a Google Home Mini, you know those Google smart speakers, and an Amazon Echo Dot, third generation, so we can compare. They look so similar, so that's why I want those two, and that's why I'm gonna ask them for Christmas if I get them. Well, who knows what if I get them or not? Because I might ask this for Santa and naughty list, um, good list, and that just makes it how good I've been this year. So I know I've been really good this year, and I just want to say for those of you guys who are watching this premiere, this will premiere on Christmas. So I wish you guys a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year because this will premiere on Christmas. So I just want to let you know that. Anyway, taking a look at the box, we have Fire Stick TV, and you get all your um, um, you get all of your applications right here, such as Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, Disney Plus, ESPN, Stars, I don't know what that is, IBM TV, HBO, Hulu, Apple TV, Sling, Pluto TV, Showtime, and NBC Sports. This is the Fire Stick TV. This is the charcoal version, and it says right here on the back, um, right here, it says, I'm not sure if you can see it, so let me tip this camera up a little bit. There you can see, I'm gonna have to put the camera up. There you can see if you can read that. I'm not sure if you can read that, but anyway, what it says great performance, picture, and Dolby audio. Fire Stick TV supplies your streaming experience with Covenant TV controls more power than previous generations for fast streaming, full HD, plus the enchanted audio clarity of Dolby Audibles. Tens of thousands of channel apps for Alexa skills stream with Pluto TV, IMEN TV, YouTube, and more. Enjoy all your favorite subscriptions to Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, Hulu, and Plus, and watch TV and sports. So this is what you get. You get great performance with Dolby Audio. You get tens of thousands of channels of Alexa skills. You get Alexa voice remote because it has a built-in Alexa in it, which I kind of like. So then we have two Alexas, one for a Fire Stick TV and then one for a regular compatible device with it. So, and it says do more with your TV. I'm not sure if you can read the information, but if you can read the information, you guys, you can search the information of the box and stuff. And I'm not going to read the information because we know I can't make videos longer than 15 minutes, and I need to go quick on this. So let's go ahead and get the unboxing started. So it looks like we have a pull tab, which comes with all Amazon products. See if I can get that out. I'm not sure if I can. There we go. So that's open. And let's see what we have inside. I think it's oh, it comes out. That's cool. So here we go, guys. We're gonna pull it out. Okay, that is done. I'm actually gonna put this back in the box because we don't want to lose all the parts. And we got the Amazon logo. We get the remote. This looks really cool, actually. The remote actually looks really, really cool design. Here's the remote. Here's the power supply. There's a micro USB right there. And then there's the charging brick. Oh, what is this? It's all bunched up. Oh, shoot. This is like an external cable, I think. Or maybe some more stuff. It looks like you get manuals in here. It says, hello, Fire Stick TV. It literally looks like the Echo Dot manual. On the Echo Dot actually looks really similar. This. It says, get 1 year Food Network Kitchen on us. Enjoy live classes with the Food Network, team streams, full episodes, network shows, sharpen over your full skills, step tutorials, and more. Download the app to get started now. That's good. That's cool. All right, let's see what we have here. We got the batteries. We do not want to lose this. So I am going to put it in this box right here. Got the batteries. Looks like we get this power brick. This is the power brick. And what do we get right here? This is a little some kind of thing. Not sure what it is, but yeah. So we got everything unboxed. This will go to the trash soon. We got just to review, we got the batteries. We got the remote control. And we got the power supply. Got the thing. What else is power brick? The what is this? The micro USB, and this is the plug. And then you get your manuals. Alright, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and this will be premiering. If you want to get a quick look at these products, I'm going to set these products and switch to different views. I'm actually on Zoom right now, so I can switch to different views. This is recording on Zoom. Alright, here we go. I'm going to switch different views. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Hope you guys liked this video, and I hope this video really, really helped you. Getting started, next video, we're going to make a review video once we get this set up. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope this gets published on YouTube, because I hope this video hasn't been longer than 15 minutes. But anyway, let me end the video right now. So thank you for watching. I'm going to put everything back in the box. Before I do, I need to end this meeting. So thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. We'll see everyone later. Bye. Peace. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing.